Welcome to the Pro Glance channel. My name is Evgenia Maximova. In our previous videos, we discussed common mistakes during lash lifting. This time I'll tell you how to map eyelashes on a pad and which effects you can create by correctly mapping lashes on a pad. I will show you that in our masterclass with a model. Properly chosen pads or curlers are the guarantee of beautiful and correct eyelash mapping. It is important to use flexible and soft pads to make them fit in client's anatomical peculiarities. Today, I will show you the lamination procedure using the pads by Lab of Beauty, and will tell you how to use lash mapping to create more effects when you laminate eyelashes. One of the most common artist mistakes are a wrong choice of pads or curlers, which often leads to creases and overbending. Pay attention to the length of the client's lashes. They should cross the peak of your pad to help you reach the best result. Also, when choosing pads, you should make an accent on anatomical peculiarities of the eyes. The major benefit of silicone pads is the bending point of the pad, which allows the artist to define the correct size and form of the pad for particular type of eyelids. It also helps the artist to define the surface for lotion application. Let's observe other pads as examples. Take a look at this pad. You can see its form has no leaf zones. It is very narrow and doesn't have a peak zone like the ones by Lab of Beauty do. This model has narrowed outer corners, so this pad is narrow, so when you color lashes, pigments can get in contact with the skin. Besides, it's narrowed inner and outer corners, which may cause overbending in both inner and outer corners. This pad is comfortable neither for artists nor for clients, because it is made of plastic-like material and is quite hard. Besides, this pad does not allow you to make a beautiful lash mapping because it has a limited space near and outer corner. Our model's lashes are of medium length, so the M-size pad will fit her the best. It allows reaching a great lifting effect with gradual lash growth and vivid look. Flat point application prevents overbending of lashes. All curves are smooth near both outer and inner corners. This eases the task for the artist and guarantees a perfect result without overbending or crossing of lashes. I recommend choosing soft silicone pads with a rough surface. It will make the process of mapping convenient and comfortable. Lashes won't slide off the pad. Please note that pads should not have equal thickness over the entire length. Pads by Lab of Beauty have a symmetry relative to the center, which allows you to change pad location for creating different effects and helps you to work with unruly lashes. Pads by Lab of Beauty have an optimal form without excessive bends and a well-designed inner corner. Thanks to smooth curving, the inner corner of lashes won't be over-twisted. Correct choice of pads also influences the effects you want to create during the lifting procedure. First, by using the pad by Lab of Beauty, you can make lifting for hooded eyes. To create a lifting effect for hooded eyes, you should use S and M-sized pads. Pads have a sloping form which allows you to lift lashes smoothly. Lashes won't twist excessively near the outer corner of the eye. If you want to make a well-pronounced curve, use rounded pads M1, M2, L and L1. Thanks to the bending point, it will be easier for you to define the spots for lotion application. Lashes in the inner corner won't twist over because these pads are voluminous. Second, lifting for wide lash lines with innovative pads by Lab of Beauty. Since the pad surface is wide and matte, the lotion applied on lashes in a crisscross pattern fixes better on the form. Short lashes are fixed better on a rough surface, and they don't overbend thanks to that. A single curve with long lashes. Third, Different lifting effects can be reached by slightly moving Lab Beauty pads. Thanks to a wide sloping shape of the pad, you can map fox, cat, or radial effects. By moving away from the foundation, you change the bending area and reach a more rounded lifting effect near lash roots. By changing pad location, you can prevent overbending of lashes growing downward or hormonal lashes. They will lay evenly. It is more convenient to make mapping because the pad tail is sloping. Thanks to its refined form, you can work with large eyes and make brighter effects. Pad location is changed to fit anatomical peculiarities of eyes, when lashes in the inner corner are short and grow longer near the outer corner. Which advantage of Lab Beauty pads is the most appealing to you? Leave your opinion in the comments. The winner will be announced in our social media. Stay tuned, ask questions, comment and like this video if it was useful for you. Wish you a good work and see you soon!